afternoon, sir.
Okay, so let me just share my screen. So once again, good afternoon. Are you guys around? Isa lang
Afternoon,
sumagot
Good
eh.
sir.
Good afternoon,
afternoon po.
sir.
Afternoon. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now? Hello? Kita na yung screen ko? Or wala pa?
Yes po, sir.
Okay.
Kita
So
po.
this will be just a short meeting. So just like what I mentioned in our few meetings, last few meetings, this will be a consultation meeting. So let's start with week 1 and 2. Anyone who has a question with our module 1 or with the laboratories from lab 1 to lab number 7? Questions or clarifications? If none, just give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that in your case, it's okay, it's fine. You were able to follow everything, something like that. Just need the feedback. Okay, great. So it's like 70% of you responded, and the others, I don't know, maybe they are not here. All right, what about week 3 and 4? Anyone who has a question or clarification? Okay, or else again, just give me a quick thumbs up just to let me know that you're good with this module 2. Okay, so there is this one thing that I need to see. Hmm. So, all right. Before we go to week 5, 6, 7, and 8, let me just clarify things. The coverage of your midterm exam will be from week 1 to week 4 only. Okay. And the rest of the topics will be, will be part of your final exam already, like from week 5 to week 12. Okay, so up to module 5. So this is not the last module yet. So for sure, I will add more. Or I will make some changes with this other types of sensors and then basic measurement theory. So I'm still thinking of the things that I can add. But yeah, the week 5 to 8 or the module 3 itself is the one that has a lot of topics, which will be published on February 4th. So this is not published yet. So I'm actually planning to to publish it today, but I've saw that no one has submitted their lab number 8 and 9 yet. So most of you are probably not yet done with some activities in week 1 and 2. So again, just a reminder, the due date of this one will be today. So make sure to finish the week 1 and 2. Okay. And for the week 3 and 4, so I think most of you are not yet yeah are not yet on this part. Okay, so yeah, just to give you more time. Well, the due date this one still up 1 week from now, and yeah, once February 4 arrives, and that is the time that I will publish this week 5, 6, 7, 8. But for now, never mind this one. Okay, so just relax for now, and then again, your midterm exam will be on February 18, I guess. Yeah, February 18, exactly 3:30 p.m. So that would be 3 weeks from, yeah, 3 weeks from now. So yeah, you guys have plenty of time to uh finish everything. So in case that some of you wasn't able to finish the, let's see, lab 4 to lab number 7, so just give me a valid reason on why you wasn't able to finish it, and then I will give you an extension. Okay, as long as it's a valid reason. Okay. then don't just come up with a valid reason. So you must have a conscience, okay? So, dapat may konsensya kayo sa mga sinasabi nyo. Sir, namatay po kasi yung lola ko. Mamaya, hindi naman pala namatay. Katotoo. So, knock on the wood, okay? So, avoid those lies, okay? Possible just to come up with a valid reason, okay? So, just be honest. Kapag nakalimutan mong due date pa lang ngayon, I think it's a valid reason since nagiging honest ka naman. So, I might give you one day extension. Okay? So, hanggang January 29, right? Something like that. Anyway, so yeah, those are the reasons on why we met today. Okay, and then supposedly, the consultation meeting is the most important part. That is the one that we will, have a longer meeting. But since you guys don't have any questions or queries, then that's it already. So we've only meet for 7 minutes since we've started exactly 3:35. So yeah, you guys may already go now. And yeah, let's just meet again next week, February 4 for your module. Okay. So as always, thank you guys for coming. Goodbye and let's meet again next week. Keep safe as always.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you po ulit.
Goodbye. Thank you. Thank you too, and goodbye.